Hello everyone, welcome back to my another existing lesson. I am in here as team. I hope you are all well. I am also well and happy because today I am going to take an interesting lesson. You can make this one and which is your favorite person. So for making this card you need any kind of glue, scissors, any kind of pencil, one scale and 3 paper. But make sure first this is very enjoyable and very easy. When you will follow step by step with me, you will understand this is how much easy. So now I taking 3 sheet paper. This is A4 size paper, 30 cm into 25 cm. I using switchboard. You can use your favorite paper. Glue. Any glue you can use. Scissor, any size of scissor, but medium size scissor is best. Oil pastel color. Any kind of color also you can use. So this paper I am folding and make sure this folding in the middle place. I using this one switchboard, but you can use any kind of paper. Switchboard is little strong, that's why I using switchboard. Now I will find out 2 point, 2 side. This is 2 cm. Now drawing 4 cm. This side also 4 cm. I cutting the point area. And then I folding again, but this area I need inside. Now again 2 side I doing point 2 cm. This area also 2 cm and drawing 3 cm. Before time I drew 4 cm, but now I drawing 3 cm. But make sure don't this area. You need left 2 cm first time and then you need to draw 3 cm and then make sure this drawing. Okay, now again I am cutting the point area. This side also, and same as before time I need to draw fold. This side also same way, but this area I need inside like before time. So if you push from outside the area, you will cut inside. So you follow me how I pushing this area. Yes, have gone. Wow, just fold another side. This will be okay. Another side also you need to push inside. Now make sure the fold is soft and smooth. Wow, inside have come. Now have come this shape. This is very beautiful. Now I taking another paper. You can take any favorite color paper. I am using this paper is A4 70 gram A4 offset paper, but you can use your favorite paper. Make sure this paper will not become over my another paper area. So very careful to use this paper. Now I am drawing masjid. Please follow how I am drawing this masjid. It's very easy. You can overlay, no problem, because we will cut, and this area we can send back side also. So you draw, make sure, no problem. This drawing also very easy if you follow my step by step with me. Now I am cutting my line area. Very careful, because if you cut another side you need to draw again. So if you do carefully, then this masjid you can make in one time. Now pass in the middle area. Now you pass 3 times. Make sure the 3 point. Okay, 1, 2. If you do 2 once, then you will find out 3 area. So okay, now I am cutting the door. Make sure all the door is same size. Oh wow, wow, this is very good and finished. Now I am cutting the middle place. I have make 2 masjid, so I need 1. Now time I will put this one in this area. I am using glue for fix this place. Wow, I am using blue color, but you can use your favorite color, no problem. Oh, this is looking like that. Now another masjid have this one. I will cut the side area because I don't need the middle, I need only the side area. Again I am using glue for fix this one. Another side also. Another side also. Wow, now you will go to this shape. Now I will use oil pastel for writing Eid Mubarak. You can use your favorite color. I am using blue color. Wow, you can see this shape now. The another white color paper I doing folding again and make sure in the middle place. I want to fix with the masjid area with this paper, so I'm using glue for fix this one. Make sure in the same place. And then for funds you have to very smoothly. How this is okay now and very flexible, and this dimension and very flexible. This is okay inside. Now I am doing the decoration outside. I taking the same size papers, and then I want to cut the two row. I will use this two row for decoration. Make sure your place and then push this one. Another side. Make sure your paper size. Now I want to cut a flower, paper flower. So make sure your paper size not too much big and not too much small also. I am doing buns. This paper. This is ready, but please be sure how much I have for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will cut this area, but be sure what side you want to cut. Yes. Oh. So many heart because poor folding. Wow. I like this flower. You can use another flower also, your favorite flower, but I like this flower, so I have made this flower. Oh. Now this one is flexible and looking also good for me. I hope you also will like this. I hope you also like this card, this decoration. This is very flexible, this is smooth and 3D dimension also. I hope everyone have done this beautiful card step by step with me. So now this card is ready for wishing to your favorite person. See you again.